Now, as an addition to this lesson, we can look at how to actually fly and maintain a straight and level flight. We will use a typical Cessna aircraft for the power settings. And we are going to use a common technique of flying straight and level. I want to introduce to you the saying that power and attitude equals performance. What is meant by this is that to maintain level flight, we need a power setting and an attitude which produce the correct amount of lift to stay level. Too much lift, and we climb. Too little lift, and we descend. So the saying is that power and attitude equals performance. First we set the power. Then we set and hold our attitude. You must know what attitude to set first. It's not a guessing game. For example, in the Cessna 172 you would set an attitude which is 4 fingers in height off the sun visor. So that means, there is 4 finger widths between the glare shield and the horizon. The next thing, once you have held the attitude for a couple of seconds, is to check the performance. In this case, our performance is maintaining level flight, and that can be checked off our altimeter. You can also check that the vertical speed indicator is reading 0. As discussed in the effects of controls lesson, this instrument has a lot of lag and is best used after holding the attitude and settling the airplane. Then, when you are maintaining or close to maintaining level flight, you can use the trim wheel to relieve the control pressure. This process may need to be done several times. As you change one thing, another thing is affected. So you will usually make a big change to set up for level flight, and then another or several smaller corrections until the airplane is comfortable in that configuration. To maintain level flight, you would check your power setting, attitude set, and trim is relieving the pressure, and then adjust any as required. As the air is hardly ever 100% smooth, you will constantly be correcting to maintain perfect level flight. To maintain straight flight, check your wings are level with the horizon. The balance ball is centered. And the performance is correct. In the case of flying straight, the performance is referring to the heading of the airplane.